गया। बादशाह मीडिया से बात करते हुए पुनः लक्ष्मैया ने बताया कि बीजेपी की जानिब से जारी करदा ऑर्डिनेंस किसानों के खिलाफ है, जबकि साबिक में यूपीए की जानिब से जो ऑर्डिनेंस निकाला गया था वो किसानों के हक में था।
ఈ 5 ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కి ల్యాండ్ ఎక్విజిషన్ చట్టాన్ని వినియోగించవచ్చు. అయితే ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ఉన్నది. ఏమిటి ఆ ప్రాసెస్? ప్రజల దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చెప్పాలి, పబ్లిక్ పర్పస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత వీళ్ళు ఏమంటారంటే ఆ ప్రాసెస్ చేయడం ద్వారా.
Today we had a meeting of DCC presidents and the office bearers who are in charges of the district Congress party programs. In addition to that, the members of the Kisan Khet Mazdoor Cell people. On top of it, the spokespersons of the TPCC have attended a meeting, and Mr. K. Raju, Koppulu Raju Garu, who is the chairman of SC Cell, chairman from All India Congress Committee, has also addressed this gathering. The ordinance that is brought by the BJP government, a draconian ordinance, a farmer, it's against the interests of the farmers and the agricultural labor. The act that was brought by the government of India under the chairmanship of UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi, UPA government, a historic act which was discussed, debated not only by the farmers and the NGOs and farmer organizations, and also all political parties in the parliament were consulted, discussed, debated, and a comprehensive bill was passed in the parliament. The most unfortunate thing is the standing committee chairman of this bill, it is none other than the BJP leader who headed that bill. And today they are opposing this. They have brought out an ordinance much against